Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the SELORE 67W fast charging adapter, a powerful GaN charger that caught my attention. This compact USB-C wall charger boasts a whopping 67W power delivery, making it a game-changer for MacBook Pro 13-inch 2022 users, charging a blazing 32% faster than your typical 65W charger. What's impressive is its dual USB-C ports and an additional USB 8 port, allowing you to charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. The 4 feet USB-C to USB-C cable included is a nice touch, providing flexibility for your various devices, be it your MacBook, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, iPhone, Nintendo Switch, and more. SELORE's intelligent power dispenser system is a standout feature, making this charger universally compatible with MacBook Air Pro, iPad Pro Air, Dell, Lenovo, HP, and supporting power supply. PPS for Samsung Galaxy S23, S22 series and Note 10 Plus series. Powered by advanced GaN 2 technology, this charger ensures low heat, reduced power consumption, and improved charging efficiency, all essential for the safety of your devices. The compact size, 46% smaller than the original 65W charger, is great for saving space and keeping your desktop organized. Plus, it's travel-friendly, fitting easily into your luggage. In conclusion, the SELORE 67W fast charging adapter is a solid choice for those seeking a versatile, powerful, and compact charger for their diverse tech arsenal. Charging efficiency, universal compatibility, and GaN technology make it a winner in my book. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.